Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello everyone. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Indian English Version School, Malaysia. Today I am going to take an English literature class for class 1 students. Our today's topic, Unit 7, word meaning and synonym antonym, CW. So let's see, my dear students, our today's class. Term, annual term, class 1, subject English literature, topic Unit 7, word meaning and synonym antonym, CW. Lecture 7, SW will be 4, Teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, let's see. Unit 7, buzzing bees, word meaning. Number 1 is buzzing. So number 1 is buzzing. Let's write. Buzzing means a continuous. A will be a small letter. Every word meaning starts with a small letter. A continuous, N-U-O-U-S, a continuous low sound buzzing made by the bees. Made by the bees. So buzzing means zzz as a sound. So buzzing means a continuous low sound made by the bees. Nectar. Nectar means a sweet, S-W-W-T, a sweet juice, J-U-I-C-E, a sweet juice found in flowers. A sweet juice found in flowers. No full stop at the end of a word meaning. This one and this one, no full stop, nowhere. Pollen. Pollen means pollen. Next one is pollen. Pollen means a kind of powder, P-O-W-D-E-R, a kind of powder that plants make. So pollen means a kind of powder that plants make. Again, I'm repeating. Number 1, buzzing, a continuous low sound made by the bees. Number 2, nectar, a sweet juice found in flowers. Number 3, pollen, a kind of powder that plants make. Then synonym antonym. Word, synonym antonym. Angry, he's very angry. You know the word angry. Angry, similar words is fierce. F-I-E-R-C. Angry, fierce. And when anyone becomes angry, what do you say? We say calm down, calm down. So angry, fierce, calm. So real. So in this unit, real means natural. Real means similar word is natural. Real, natural, and antonym is unnatural. N-A-T-U-R-A-L. Unnatural. So real, natural, unnatural. Help means assist someone. A-S-S-I-S-T, assist, assistance. Who help someone, who we call assistant. So help, assist means a verb, assist, assistance noun, help, assist, and opposite is disturb. You're helping someone, that's good, and you were disturbing someone. So help, assist, disturb. So let's read again. Angry, fierce, synonym antonym, angry, fierce, calm. Real, natural, unnatural, help, assist, disturb. So word meaning: number 1, buzzing, a continuous low sound made by the bees. Number 2, nectar, a sweet juice found in flowers. Number 3, pollen, a kind of powder that plants make. Synonym antonym: number 1, angry, fierce, calm. Real, natural, unnatural, help, assist, disturb. So let's see our today's SW. SW4, Unit 7, word meaning plus synonym antonym. SW4, Unit 7, word meaning plus synonym antonym. So my dear students, that's all for today. Do your assign SW at home and submit on Saturday. Keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay home. Thanks for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum.